Okay guys, so if you would like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so my eyebrows are already done, and I did that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow dip in chocolate, and I outlined them and used as a base for my eye the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Natural. And here I'm going in with the Morphe palette 35P. It's the purple that is the furthest to the right, one up. So I'm just going in there with my crease and blending that out. As you can see, it's a little difficult to blend, but not because the Morphe is a difficult eyeshadow to blend. Also on my base, separate from the LA Girl Pro Concealer, I also use MAC's Paint Pot and Painterly. So that's what's making it super thick, which is actually pretty good if you plan on wearing your makeup all day. So yeah. So I'm just blending it out. And I'm not going to show you guys both eyes because I don't want the video to be super long. So, yeah. Now with the same palette, I'm going to use the color right above that one. So furthest to the right, two up. And it's kind of like a lavender purple. It doesn't look that way on your actual palette, but that's how my swatch came out. And I actually ended up not liking that it wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to. So I went ahead and did a cut crease back with MAC's Paint Pot and Painterly to give myself that white base all over again and to really make that color pop. Which you'll see in a second. And it's easier to pull back your eye like this so that your line could be as precise as possible. So now I'm just going back in with our first purple, just taking away any super harsh lines and giving some life back to that purple that may have gotten lost. So back with our second purple on top of the Painterly. As you can see, it looks much better now that we have that white base again. Now I'm using some MAC Studio Fix Plus because we're getting ready to go in with our MAC pigment, and this is in Reflex Transparent Teal. And I'm just going to put that in the center of my lid. Later you'll see I ended up changing my mind on the look and putting it on about 3/4 of my lid. And as you can see, it gets pretty messy. It's all in my hair, on my arms and stuff. So, okay. Replacing that purple. And now I'm going in with the Morphe palette 35B, and it's the blue that's furthest to the right, one above. So it's that navy blue in that palette. Just doing some touch-ups. And now we're moving into foundation. I use the Fenty foundation in 340. I believe it's the cool one. And I just blend that out with the Wet Beauty blender. Just gonna speed it up a bit. And now I'm going in with the Fenty Matchstick. It's in the color Caramel. And I'm just using this as a concealer. On top of that, I'm going to highlight with MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer in NC42. And we're blending it out with the same Wet Beauty blender. So now I'm just setting all of that with my setting powder. And I use the Airspun Loose Face Powder in the color Translucent. This stuff is definitely holy grail. It's only $5 from Walmart. And now I'm contouring my cheeks and nose, and I start off using my Too Faced face powder. And it's in the color Dark Chocolate Soil. After that, I always go back in over the same spots that I just put the face powder in, and I go over with it a pressed powder by Black Radiance, and the color is Rich Mahogany. And finally, to have that crisp high cheek look, I go back in with my Fenty Matchstick in the color Truffle to give me those defined cheekbones. Right after that, you want to put some more of your face powder with your beauty blender to give you that nice cut of the cheek. And I applied liquid liner off camera, and now I'm just putting on my lip liner and product. The liner I'm using is Max Chestnut, which is also another holy grail item. I wear this almost with every look I do. I also used another liner, I believe it was a NYX liner, that I thought was going to go well with the liquid lipstick that I was going to use, but it ended up not showing up anyway, so I'm not even going to bother to tell you guys what it was. The liquid lipstick I'm using is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Rakim. I think that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, so this is the liner I was telling you about. It really didn't do anything, so yeah. And I love Kat Von D's liquid lipsticks. Yeah, I pretty much the only liquid lipstick I use other than the Kylie ones, but Kylie's aren't matte, as you guys probably already know. Once these dry, you're set all day. No matter what you drink, no matter what you eat, like, you're set. Now that it's drying a bit, you can kind of see the purpley undertones. I'm just fixing my liner. And now I am brushing off my setting powder and adjusting any lines that I see need to be redefined. Looks so good. Okay, so now I'm going in with my MAC blush in Desert Rose. Now I'm going back in with that same navy blue from my 35B palette, and I'm just going to outline my waterline. And now I'm taking the blue right above the navy blue, and I'm going to use that for my inner eye. Kind of brightens it up a bit. Now we're going in with our mascara, also Too Faced, and this is the Better Than Sex, the pink one. And now, oh my gosh, you guys, I love this product so much. This is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlight and Diamond Ball Out. And all proceeds from this product go to charity, the Sierra Leone charity. And it's hosted by Rihanna, her Diamond Ball every year. So this was their product that she's deciding to donate all proceeds to. So pretty cool. It's just like the trophy wipe that's gold, except this one is silver. I'll probably be using this as an eyeshadow also. Like, it's pretty multi-purpose, just like trophy wipe. I love it. So yeah, I'm just going a little crazy with it here. I think it goes really well with the MAC Reflex Teal pigment. Oh, but if it ends up being sold out and you guys can't get your hands on it, something that's really similar to it is MAC's Pigment and Silver Fog. It's really similar. It's not as metallic looking, but it's pretty darn close. And that one's $22 as opposed to the one for charity, which is $37. So yeah, this is the finished look. I've added my lashes off camera because it takes quite a long time for me. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at Princess Cut Mo, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!